Hi Cancer, welcome to your weekend tarot cast of November the 23rd through the 24th. Please remember to give out good vibes, don't frown, and let the world see you smile. Please check your sun, moon, and rising sign if this video does not resonate with you, Cancer. I will be using the Animal Spirit Oracle deck by Collect Bar and Read for your overall vibe. The Psychic Tarot focus on the heart. For your overall focus by John Holland. And for your soul message, the Work Your Light Oracle deck by Rebecca Campbell. So let's get started for you, Cancer. And let's see, what is your overall vibe for the weekend tarot cast of November the 23rd through the 24th? Spirit, please let us know. What is the overall vibe for Cancer? Sun, moon, and rising signs. What is the overall vibe for Cancer, sun, moon, and rising sign, Spirit? These cards. Sometimes they get really stuck. Like the energy is like heavy, that is like, whoa. I like when the energy is like free-flowing and it's like a smooth transition of a shuffle. Spirit, please let us know. What is the overall vibe for Cancer, sun, moon, and rising signs? What is the overall vibe for Cancer? Please let me know, Spirit. What is Cancer, sun, moon, and rising signs overall vibe for the weekend tarot cast of November the 23rd through the 24th? What is the overall vibe? For Cancer. It's a lot of cards. What is the overall vibe for Cancer? And a lot of cards keep wanting to come out, like at least 4 cards. I need one message, Spirit, just one card. For Cancer, sun, moon, and rising signs. Vulture, Spirit, nothing is wasted. And what I'm getting from this is that whatever you have energy you have input into something, don't think that because it didn't work out, it was wasted, like you wasted your time doing that, you wasted your time putting all the effort for a project, you wasted your time in a relationship that lasted 5 years and you didn't get the commitment, you didn't get married or something like that. Just don't think that all that was a waste of your time, because what I'm getting from this is that you're learning from your experiences. All this is what's happening, is you're learning from your experiences. And look at that. So pretty. Let's see what that message has to say in depth for you, Cancer. Vulture, Spirit. Do you wish you could run away from your past or deny your mistakes? Not so fast, says Vulture Spirit. You have gained something valuable from the experience. Let your grief or anger move through you, and soon your emotions will transform, for you will come to see that you have learned and grown. The alchemy of transformation is a gift from Spirit, so never disown what embarrassed, disappointed, or shamed you. It will soon be a source of great wisdom and strength as you work with the magic that allows miracles to be created out of sadness and beauty to arise from ugliness. Vulture Spirit wants you to know that you embody beauty and that the alchemy transformation of the past is happening already. Hang in there. You are so loved and so much beauty is waiting to come out of all of this. You are very loved, and a lot of beauty is going to come out of the things that you have experienced, the traumas, the heartache. It's all for a good cause. Let's see what your focus is, Cancer. Just be patient. What is the focus for Cancer, Sun, Moon, and Rising signs for the weekend tarot cast of November the 23rd through the 24th, Spirit? Please let us know. What is the focus? What does Cancer need to focus on, Spirit? What does Cancer need to focus on? What does Cancer need to focus on? Please let us know, Spirit. What is Cancer, Sun, Moon, and Rising signs need to focus on for the weekend tarot cast of November the 23rd through the 24th? What does Cancer need to focus on, Spirit? That's a lot of cards. What does Cancer need to focus on? Cancer, Sun, Moon, and Rising signs. Spirit, please let us know. Seek. So you need to seek guidance. And it's 9, 9. You're close to something. 9s are closer to the completion of the cycle. Whatever energy that you are closing, that chapter that you're closing, is soon coming to an end. A new beginning is coming into fruition for you, Cancer. And you need to seek guidance. You need to seek wisdom. You need to seek nature. Spirit wants you to go and ground yourself. Meditate. Seek wisdom through meditation so that you can feel at peace. That's what you need to do this weekend. Let's see what your soul message is. What is your soul message? Please let us know. What is the soul message for Cancer, Sun, Moon, and Rising signs, Spirit? What does Cancer soul need to hear? Cancer, Sun, Moon, and Rising signs. What does Cancer need to hear, Spirit? That is a lot of cards. What does Cancer need to hear? Someone's gonna fly out, so I'm gonna choose this one. Your soul family, call in your tribe. You don't have to do it alone. See? You don't have to do it alone. Whatever you are going through at this moment, whatever heartache you're going through, you don't have to do it alone. Spirit is here to help you. Your guides are here to help you. Your soul family. your friends, the community that you're in. Seek help. You're not here to do it alone. And that's what your focus is. Let's see what this message has to say more in depth for you. Soul message for Cancer. Let's see what soul family has more in depth to say. It's time to call in your soul family and support team, people who get you at a soul level. People who are the same kind of weird as you, people who are your chosen family. They are coming and they are looking for you if you haven't found them yet. This is a sign that they are close by. But in order for them to find you and recognize you when they do, it's important that you stop dimming your light and truly let yourself be seen. If you have already found them, then you are being called to let them support you and perhaps also assemble a wider support team. Your support team can consist of all types of people, such as a therapist, coach, mentor, or healer. Tune into what kind of support you need now. So go meditate, seek nature, so you can figure out what kind of support team you need. And if you don't know who your soul family is, if you're not sure who your soul family is, Spirit will let you know. Just ask for help. And this is what your message is for the weekend tarot cast of November the 23rd through the 24th. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, Cancer. Ciao, good vibes tribe.